In Australia, check out this video here. Officials hunting for pieces of meteorite near Queensland following multiple reports of fireball over the weekend. So an astrophysicist says footage captured by an airport camera shows what is, quote, definitely a meteor flashing bright green across the sky. Scientists estimate the rock to be a little bit over a foot in size. That's it. But traveling more than 62,000 miles to Earth. It's amazing that something so small can produce such light right there. So TJ is the resident astrophysicist around here. The scientists probably shed more light on what that was all about.
It is burning up in the atmosphere. It was 62,000 miles an hour. That's cruising. So it's
pretty good.
Causing a lot of friction in the atmosphere, and you get the whole thing lighting up. Yeah, that was a cool sight in the sky. We are looking at a cool sight in the sky, the sun this afternoon. Some hazy sunshine, though. You're talking about all that smoke from the Alberta wildfires. It's all the way over here in southern New England once again, and hanging out today, kind of dimming that sunshine a little bit. These folks on the beach. Looks like a couple of field trips down here on Narragansett Town Beach. These kids don't care. They're enjoying the sunshine. And over in East Greenwich, we're looking on off toward Mount Hope Bridge, Bristol, Portsmouth, looking okay this morning. And this afternoon, live radar, all dry across Rhode Island and Massachusetts. Our threat tracker for today. Cool for today, cooler than yesterday, and we're looking at a mainly dry week. We do have the chance for showers, I think, on Wednesday evening, and looking ahead to Memorial Day, we are looking at a storm system, kind of a cutoff low, an area of low pressure that just sits there. It looks like it stays far enough off to our south that we'll get a dry, long holiday weekend, but it's only Monday, so we had lots of time to watch that. Something else that we're watching, the tropics. We are looking at a cluster of showers and thunderstorms just to the north of the Bahamas. It has only a small chance of development, but you know, we're only about 10 days away from the start of hurricane season, so we start to look on off into the tropics quite frequently, and even if that were to develop, it would move to the north and away from the east coast. But something to watch. Temperatures right now at 64 in Providence. Meanwhile, close to 70 in Westerly because of this northeasterly wind. Eastern areas much cooler than western areas. In fact, Hartford, Willimantic, upper 60s to lower 70s. So we're kind of cool, relatively speaking, here in southern New England with this northeasterly wind, about 13 miles an hour. Had some gusts to 2024 short time ago. Satellite radar picture, lots of clouds off to our east, continuing to stay away from us. We've got high pressure kind of building into southern New England, just kind of reinforcing these northeasterly winds that we have. So your forecast for this afternoon, a few clouds here and there, but looking at sunshine overnight tonight. Call it partly cloudy. Tomorrow, northeast and southeasterly winds. Once again impacting us, keeping things relatively cool, but nice day tomorrow. On Wednesday, you can see the clouds and the showers off to our north and west beginning to race towards southern New England. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow evening with the showers knocking on our doorstep, maybe even catching a weakening thunderstorm tomorrow evening. For today, we're looking at highs in the mid-60s with hazy sunshine. Nice afternoon. Winds from the northeast, 5 to 15 miles an hour. A little breezy. Tonight down to around 45 with mainly clear skies. A little haze still hanging around. Here's your 7-day forecast. Closer look at tomorrow. We're looking at those temperatures in the mid, maybe upper 60s. Rain chances very low for tomorrow. Wednesday, we're dry during the day. I'm thinking we'll see some rain showers around in the evening. Again, maybe a rumble of thunder, and that's it. The rest of the week and into the weekend, still looking good with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s to around 70 degrees right into Memorial Day weekend. Full forecast, you can always get that at WPRI.com. So looking good, just a little cooler than yesterday this afternoon.
All right, thanks, TJ. Coming up in 3 hours of live coverage for you starting on 12 News at 4. Plot thickens in a sore subject, how out-of-state cannabis dispensaries can advertise in Rhode Island, but in-state dispensaries are not allowed to, following a dispensary owner's growing legal battle. At 5 o'clock, investigators looking for clues today after a man is shot and killed in Mansfield, suspect facing a murder charge. Then at 6, following the ramifications and impact after fire tears through part of a structure at Lincoln's Kirkbrae Country Club and what may happen to events that have been scheduled there in the coming weeks. Join us for 12 News starting tonight at 4 o'clock.